Here's a burp, young man.
Whoa, he ate a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm videoing a little bit.
Hmm?
I'm videoing a little bit. No, you go ahead. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was easy.
Everybody can hear what a good burper he is.
You want to burp again? Or was that good enough?